Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to see subtasks in Calendar. So this is very simple. First, scroll down to your project section and open the project where you want to see your subtasks in Calendar. Click on Calendar, and right now you can see I have task 1 right here. But this task 1 has a subtask and I cannot see it. So I will go right here to List, open task 1. And here you can see the subtask. In order to see it right here, make sure it has the due date set, and then just drag it right here and drop it next to the task 1. Then close this and go back to Calendar. And right now, as you can see the subtask in your calendar. So this is what you have to do in order to see it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.